Hey guys, it's Katie and welcome back to my channel. And yeah, as you can tell from the title, I'm moving. I think this is gonna come as a surprise to some of you, but not that much of a surprise to a lot of you. So many of you guys have picked up on my room being empty and me like sharing some secrets, hiding some stuff, and that is the fact that my family and I are packing up and moving into a new house. I felt like now is the appropriate time to tell you guys because it's official. The reason my room was so empty and it's bare and still is and has been for a few months is because we had to have showings where people came and looked through the house, inspections, take pictures to post on the website. My room just had to be very empty and it kind of lacked the Katie spice and has been for a while. Y'all, like, look at this. This has been our life for so long. I've been hiding this from you guys for so long, but like literally look at all the stuff. Boxes and boxes of stuff that's getting donated, thrown away, has to be moved and packed. Like, this is the basement. Doesn't it look so weird? And then this is my closet of all the stuff I get sent. It's all like organized. I'm donating so much of it. Look at all this storage. The dog's crate is in here, moving boxes, our ping pong table. There's just a lot going on right now. It's crazy. But I do have a few clips from when this all began, so I'll enter those in now. Hi folks, so it is now April 19th. It's a Sunday and I thought I'd give an update. We are officially under contract for a smaller house. If you don't know, we're staying in Georgia. We're just downsizing. We don't need the space that we have in our house right now, and I'm actually kind of excited about it. As the process goes on, I find that I'm more drawn to like moving because I think it's gonna be interesting and it's a fresh start. I absolutely love my room right now. Like, looking around, although it's completely empty, I just love the space and the memories and everything I've created in this room, but I'm not like emotionally attached to the house. It wasn't my childhood house. I've only lived here for 3 years. I lived in Florida for a majority of my life, so downsizing to something smaller when I'm gonna be moving out after senior year, which is in like less than a year anyway, it's not a big deal for me. It's more just like I want the process to be over. Like, I want to have moved already. I'm tired of living in an empty room and having to constantly have my room cleaned for inspectors or contractors or people to tour our house. We're already planning out like the layout of our rooms in the smaller house, but it's definitely interesting because it's a lot smaller, so having to downsize is going to be insane, but I'm gonna document some of that process as well. I already cleaned out my closet. I'm gonna go through my makeup collection. I thought I'd provide an update. We're moving. And that leaves us here. It's crazy that this is happening. Like I said, I don't really have an emotional attachment to this house because I've only lived in it for three and a half years. I'm gonna miss the amount of space that I have, the openness, the freeness that I have. I love living in the basement by myself. It's like my favorite thing ever, but I'm also ready for change. And as I wrap up my junior year and go into my senior year of high school, I think this is gonna be something really fun and new for me. I get a whole new room. I get to redecorate. I've always loved yellow and I love my yellow room. I think it was a big part of me for a really long time, and it's kind of all that my YouTube channel knows. Like, you guys only really know me for my yellow room. It's gonna open up a new chapter of my life, and I'm kind of over the yellow room. I'm so excited for the way my new room looks like and the way we've already kind of like planned it out and everything. Plus, this means moving vlogs, packing vlogs, decorating vlogs, organizing vlogs. Literally so much stuff is gonna be happening this summer. I just thought it was important to make this video and kind of do a little announcement video because so many people had been asking me about it. Bryan has been antagonizing me about packing for literally so long, so we're gonna start packing together. Let's declutter, organize, and pack some stuff up. I need to. It's gotten pretty bad. So I guess help me move, help me pack. But right now we're scheduled to move into our house the last week of June, first week of July is like, that's the time that we're supposed to be moving in. Hey, yo. A move-in check. So I think one of the major areas that we need to start with is my vanity desk area. If you don't know, I've had this really nice vanity for a little while. We kind of customized it and built it on IKEA, so everything's from IKEA. I have 2 sets of the Alex 5 drawers within this glass tabletop. I have my skin fridge, my mirror, and a ring light, and I used to have a lot more stuff on it, but like I said, had to declutter. But the main mess is like inside the drawers. I used to be a beauty guru. If anybody remembers that, like, my channel used to be a makeup channel a really long time ago. I've decluttered it since. I just have so much stuff that I don't need, I don't use, and it's kind of ridiculous. There's no need for me to have 10 drawers of just spread out makeup when I know all of my makeup could easily fit into like half of that amount. I'm gonna go grab some trash bags. Acquired. There's also so much just random crap in here, like Poshmark package I need to ship out, Why the heck do I have 5 things of empty melatonin? Natrol needs to sponsor me because I literally take their melatonin gummies every night to sleep. 5 empty containers of it? Katie, why? Why do you do trash? I just bought these and had nowhere to put them, so I just shoved them in this junk drawer, but splits are so good. I recommend. I got almond butter and sour cherry and almond butter and strawberry spread. I like these for like pre-workout snacks. I'll take one today before I go hit heavy legs with my friend Christian. So basically, I have been just doing my makeup out of this makeup bag that is literally from Claire's and I've had forever. I really like it though because it has everything that I need in it. Everything I need is in this bag. I don't need anything else. So I don't see the point as to why I have so many palettes if I don't even use them. But then again, I'm like, Katie, you spent your hard-earned money on these. Like, you should probably keep them, you know? But I don't use them, like, at all. I'll use a bunch of these for cheer season. Senior season! Oh my gosh, that's so weird to me. But like, this palette, bad memories, and I don't like the colors. Donate. I don't need this one either, or this Becca one. I'm just gonna donate these or give them to my friends. Like, oh my gosh. It's okay. This entire drawer used to be dedicated to like lip products, and now I have bronzer, blush, highlight, lip gloss, lipstick. Like, this has so much stuff, but I also don't use any of it. This Hoola bronzer, y'all. Look at it. There's like literally nothing left. Why do I have it? Eyebrow pencils, gross and too dark for me. This is so old. This is dried up. All that's left in here is sunscreen and tinted moisturizers. Made a lot of progress on that side. We're gonna do this one now. This has like skincare products in, and I don't even use those. All I use for my skin is CeraVe face wash and then CeraVe moisturizer. Like, I don't need any of it. And by the way, I donate all the time. I give to my friends all the time. These are all products that are old and gross and expired. That's why they're going in the trash. This drawer is all kind of like camera equipment and school stuff, so like color pencils. And then this is all skincare that I use, or like Q-tips. I have my makeup remover, stuff to clean my ear piercings. So this drawer is pretty good. There might be a few things I can get rid of. Yeah, some of this is trash. I bought literally all these face masks off Amazon so long ago and never used them, and they're like the gross sheet masks that don't do anything. See, this part is scary. My bathroom, I love this bathroom. I love the space I have. I am so blessed and grateful that it is literally attached to my bedroom. That's insane. I never had my own bathroom until we moved into this house. When I lived in Florida, I just shared the same bathroom with my 2 younger brothers, so this has been such a blessing. Anytime I have any junk, I literally just stick it underneath here. So this is gonna take forever to go through. Also, look how full this first trash bag is already. This makes me happy, and I think my father is gonna be really proud of me. I have a pad that's never been used. Anybody want it? Here, this is a shampoo and conditioner I use. Everybody always asks me, that's the brand, but I only have one. I only have the shampoo. Mold and mildew remover. Can't tell you the last time I used that. Oh, I do have one. Oh no, this is shampoo too. I got 2 bottles of shampoo. My camera died, and I only have one camera right now because, as we know, my small camera took a tumble on spring break and is broken. But I have this little like organizer right here that keeps most of my products that I use on the daily for self-care. But I don't even use half of them, so we're gonna open up the second trash bag and throw them away. This is so old. I can't wait to like redecorate and organize my new room because I get to have your guys' input and you guys help me redo everything, which is gonna be so fun. But I just finished decluttering my entire bathroom, my vanity, and I have a big business meeting that I have to go hop on very soon. Here are the 2 bags of trash that we got. This one is very heavy. This one, not so much. I can curl this one. So that means it's probably like 15 pounds. Thank you guys for helping me declutter. Next is gonna be packing and organizing because that closet, as we know, has a lot of stuff in it. I will keep you guys updated as the moving journey continues, and I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. Follow all of my social medias, especially my Instagram, to stay updated. I'm so active, posting all the time on there in real time. Don't forget to subscribe down below so you can keep updated while I take on this moving journey. Time to go to the trash can. This looks like it's about to snap.